Hello students, this is lecture number 7 on relation and function. As you know, in the previous class I discussed about graphs. I had an identity function graph, square function, cube function and a constant function. In this class I will take fifth one. It is a fifth graph. 4 graph already I had done in the previous class. Which one now? Modulus function. Modulus function. So I will define this modulus. A function f from real number to real number. So definition as usual. A function f from real number to real number defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to modulus of x. This symbol, understand this symbol, modulus of x. When we are writing x in between two lines, we will say it is what? Modulus of x for all x belongs to real number is called modulus function. Is called modulus function. What is this? Y is equal to f of x is equal to modulus of x. Modulus of x is nothing but it is always positive value, or you can say non-negative real number. Always non-negative real number. What is this? I will say that is y is equal to, I have what? F of x, means what we have? Modulus of x. Which function it is? Y is equal to f of x is nothing but modulus of x. What is the modulus of x? Modulus of x is a two possible way I can write. One, plus x. When if x is greater than or equal to 0. Minus x if x is less than 0. Listen to me. When x is greater than or equal to 0 means if x value is 0 or more than 0 means if x is positive value, in that case its value is x, means x is 1 more than 0 means x is 1 only. 2 2 3 3 4 4 0.1 0.1 0.4 0.4 1 by 2 1 by 2. If it is more than 0, positive value, always positive. If x is less than 0, in that case minus x. What it means? If x is minus 1 is less than 0 means x is minus 1 means minus of the minus, you will get plus 1. X is minus 2 means here minus of the minus 2 plus 2. X is minus 3 minus of the minus plus 3. X is minus 4 minus of the minus, because when x is less than 0 he is saying that its value is minus x. Means when you are taking x values are negative of the negative will become always positive. Means ultimately y value is what? You can say y value in this case it is always positive value. You will get always positive value. Modulus of x is what? You can say always positive value. So means according to this, what is the domain? Domain of f. Domain of f is what here? Set of real number. You can take any. I will say R. Set of real number. What is range? Range of range of f is equal to, I can say 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, or set of non negative real numbers. Set of non-negative real numbers, or you can say 0 to infinity better. You can take 0 to infinity. If it is 0, 0 include here. Actually, I can write like 0 also. You will get when you are taking 0, 0 will get here. Closed bracket means closed interval. This is a closed and open means starting with 0 up to infinity means you can get 0 or infinity. In the case of 0, you will get 0, or else you will get only positive value. This is about domain and range. You are getting only positive value. X is positive, so the thing is, see what we are saying. For example, you can, I will take for our convenience. We are saying but y is equal to modulus of x. In this case, x minus x. If x is greater than or equal to 0, if x is less than 0. If x is means if x is 1, what you will get? X 1 only means y value is what? 1 only. If x is 2, you will get y value here 2 only. If x is minus 1 is less than 0, but here you will get what? Minus of x value what? Minus 1 means what you will get? Plus 1 only. If it is minus 2 is less than 0, again minus of, according to this, minus 2 is plus 2 only. If it is minus 3 less than 0, so I can say according to this, when it is less than 0 you take minus x. If it is more than 0 or equal to 0, more than or equal to 0, you can take x. So means here if it is minus 3 means you can say minus 3, again up minus of the minus plus 3. Like whatever you take negative value, you will get positive only. Means I can say it is a absolute value. Absolute value is nothing but what? You will get only positive real number. Are you getting? Only positive real numbers. So I will draw graph. Now. The thing is, table x y is equal to modulus of x. I will take 4 numbers again. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If you want, you can take more also. Now, when x is 0, when x is 0, 0 is here. X is greater than or equal to 0. 0 means x will take 0, y will get 0 only. So I will write 0. X is 1 means here 1, x is 1 means y will get what? 1 only. X is 2 here, you will get y value is 2 only. X is 3 more than 0, x is 3. Modulus of the 3 is it's whatever it is negative, we make it as positive, nothing, and y will get 3 only. X is 4 means 4 belongs to here, 4 is more than 0, 4, y is again you will get 4 only. Now minus 1, where you will get minus 1? X is less than 0, minus 1, here minus of the minus 1 is plus 1. Means modulus of x is what? Whenever negative comes, you make it is positive. If it is positive, you keep positive. Don't make it is positive is negative. It is what? Always positive value. Whenever you will get negative in the modulus, you write positive. Minus 1, minus of the minus, plus 1. Minus 2, minus of the minus 2, plus 2. Minus 3, minus of the minus, plus 3. minus 4, minus of the minus, plus. You will get only positive because it is a positive real number, or you can set up non-negative. Non-negative means negative should not be. It may be 0 or it may be only positive value. Y value is always range, X value is always a domain. Graph. I will take X axis and a Y axis. Simply I am drawing 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. X, Y, X dash, Y dash. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Actually this is not necessary. You will get only positive values. When X is 0, Y is what? Here only 0. X is 0, Y is 0. X is plus 1. Y is also plus 1. Corresponding to. X is 2. Y is what? 2 only. This. X is 3. Y is what? 3. When X is 3, Y is 3. So I can say here. When X is 4, Y is what? This 4. You will get straight. You take any value X, you will get same value, but it is positive. When you are taking positive, positive you will get. If it is negative, you will get positive. Minus 1, minus 1, Y is plus 1. Y is plus 1 means in the above only. Means I can say here. X is minus 2. When it is minus 2 plus 2, corresponding to this. X is minus 3, Y is what? Plus 3. It's corresponding. X is minus 4, Y is what? Plus 4. So what I will get? It's corresponding. It's corresponding points. Join these points by using straight line. Means I can use scale also. In the case of modulus graph, I can use scale. Using this scale I can. In the case of first function, identity function, you can use scale. Second, the square function, don't use scale. You take curve. In the cube function, again you use what? Curve. Last function I had on constant, you can use scale. And modulus function also you can use scale. What you are seeing. I am joining this all. I am joining. Yes. Now I can join. Using scale, you can join this function. Yes, what it is? Y is equal to modulus of X. This is the graph of the modulus function. Keep in mind. So what is domain? Domain is set of real numbers. Range is what? Set of non-negative real numbers, or you can say 0 to infinity. 0 also include up to infinity, means you can take any number. Infinitely so many numbers you will get, and this is always positive. Modulus of X is what? Always positive value. Means I can say Y is equal to modulus of X is equal to always positive value. Always positive values. Modulus of X will give what? Always positive values. This is the graph of the function. Copy this. Sixth one. Sixth graph. Signum function. It is what? Signum. Don't say singam. It is what? Signum function. What is signum function? I will define. A function f from real number to real number defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to, we have three values. One is plus 1, second one is 0, third one minus 1. When if x is more than 0, if 0, when you will get 0, if x is equal to 0, when you will get minus 1, if x is less than 0. Listen to me, this function is defined three values, means this y has only three value, 1, 0, minus 1. 1 when you will get if x is more than 0. If x is more than 0, always 1. If x is 1, 1 is more than 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 100. 100 is more than 0, no? 1. Whatever more than 0 means, if it is positive value, you will get 1. If it is x is 0, y is also 0. If x is more than 0, y is always 1. If x is equal to 0, y is 0. If x is less than 0 means, if x is negative value, you will get y is what? Minus 1. When x is negative value, minus 1, y is minus 1. X is minus 2, minus this minus 1. X is minus 3, minus 1 only. X is minus 10, minus 10 is less than 0, y minus 1. Fix it is. This type of function is called signum. Don't say singam. It is a signum function. It's called signum function. What is domain? Domain of this. Domain of f is a set of real number again. Set of real numbers. You can take any set of real number. Now, and range. Range means y, value of y. What you will get y? You may get 1, 0, minus. Only three numbers. I can say minus 1, comma, 0, comma, plus 1. This is the range. Keep in mind, in the case of signum function, it is different. Only three value you will get a minus 1, 0, plus 1. In the case of domain, set of real number, you can take any. Whatever you can take, 0, positive, negative. But here range is a minus 1, 0, plus 1. You will get only minus 1. When x is less than 0, when x is less than 0, y value is minus 1. When x is equal to 0, this value is also 0. X is more than 0, this value is 1. I will take graph. I will take points also. Now the thing, see, table. Okay. X, y is equal to this f of x function. Function is defined. Now, the thing is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. If you want, you can take so many. Okay. Now, when x is 0, y is also 0. So, x is 1, y is also, x is 1 means 1 is more than 0, y is 1. When x is more than 0, 2, x is 2, 2 belongs to more than 0, not equal to 0, not less than 0. 2 is always more than 0 means y value is 1 only. Yes. And then x is 3, more than 0 is what? 1 only. 4, more than 0 is 1 only. You can take so many, you will get only 1. So many. Minus 1, x is minus 1 means less than 0 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1. If it is 0, then only 0. Otherwise, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, whatever you take x value minus, you will get minus 1 only. Minus 2, less than 0, minus 1. Minus 3, less than 0, minus 1. Minus 4, minus 1. minus you take any number, minus 1 only. This is the table of this. So graph we will see. Graph of this. Now, graph I will use. I can using scale also, you can draw this. Here, this is a y axis and this will be x axis. This I can say what? Y. So y dash. I will say 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. X. So y. So x dash. 0 will be here. -1, -2, -3, -1. So the thing is, see, you check y value is maximum 1 only. Means I will fix some distance, I will consider it is a 1 is here somewhere, I will consider this. I will consider 1 will be here. Because of our convenience, I need a bigger graph. Otherwise, if you are considering 1 here, you will get graph nearer to x-axis. Better I can consider this is more distance. Because only I have maximum is 1. I can say this is what? 1. This is what? 0. And this will be what? I am considering some 20. This will be considered as a -1. Only I have 3 values here. 0 can take only 3 values. So y can take 3 values only. Y is taking -1, 0, +1. Now I will take point. When x is 0, y is what? 0. Means x is 0, y is 0 means this will be. Means you shade this. This is what? Both are 0. Both are 0. If it is 0.1, 0.1 is more than 0. 0.1 is more than 0 means 1 is the point. 0.2 is more than 0, point is here. 0.1 you can take any more than 0 means 1, 2, 3, 4. You can take 1, 2, 3, 4. Whatever you will get 1 only. Means you will get what? Whatever the number you take, you will get only 1. So I can say that joining these all points you will get only 1 line. This is like. This is the graph of this. Here I am getting only 1. So I am not getting, when it is 0, it is not 0, you take open circle here. Open circle. Because when 0 is here, not 0 is here. For that reason, open circle. 1 only. 2 only. 1 only. 3 1 only. 4 1 only. You take any number, that will be lies here only. Okay, now. -1, when it is -1, 0, not -1 means you make it is open circle. Means you can write like in the case of this, open. Don't shade this inside. You can openly take. Openly I took. This is not, I am not shading. I am not shading this. Now, -1 in, yeah, this much is enough. -1, -1, -2, -1, -3, -1, -4, -1, minus of any number, minus. The point is lies here. So graph is what? Like this. Here disconnect. So open circle. Then again it will come here. This is the shaded 0, 0. This is again open and then it will be this line. So that is what x is more than 0. In this case x is greater than 0. This you will get. And this will be always x is lesser than 0. So this is what a graph. This is a signum function. In this case this graph is disconnected. You can see in the modulus graph. Modulus graph is it is directly connected. Means you can draw without lifting your pen. That is a continuous graph. This is without lifting pen we can't draw, because here this is a dot case, this is the dot case. I am open circle. I took open circle because when it is open circle you have to lift your pen. So means it is disconnected graph. Which graph it is? It is not continuous graph. It is disconnected graph. Okay. This graph is what? A disconnected. This graph is what? A signum function. What is the domain here? Set of real number. Range is a -1, 0, 1. You remember domain and range. Copy this. Seventh one, greatest integer function. Listen to me. What greatest integer function? The thing is, once I will explain roughly, then later you can understand. In the case of this, we will denote y is equal to this symbol. I will define later. First you understand. Y is equal to this symbol, this square bracket of x. This is called what? We are saying this is what? Greatest integer less than or equals to x. Listen here. Greatest integer, x is what here? This y value what you will get? Greatest integer less than or equal to x. If it is a greatest integer less than or equals to x, means here if it is given x itself is an integer, equal to integer you take. If it is not integer, you take greatest integer compared to that x, means a lesser number, means you check lesser integers out of those which is greater. Means when I am taking some numbers I will take. For example, y is equal to 1. 1 is an integer, 1 only. When y is equal to 1.1, 1.1 means its value greatest integer, but 1.1 is not integer. Keep in mind, 1.1 is not integer. 1.1 is not integer means I will take a less than this. He is a greatest integer less than x or equals to x. Less than x, 1.1 point number comes less than this. 1.1 means 1.1 before, means I can say in the case of number line 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2. 1.1 means here 1.1, which is the less integer, greatest integer lesser than 1.1, which is integer less than the 1.1. This 1 is the, because 0 is also less than 1.1. Minus 1 is also integer less than 1.1. Minus 2 is also less than 1.1. But those are not greatest integer. These all are less than the less than the 1.1. But out of these, which is greatest, that you have to take. Means I can say 1.1 before means lesser than this is these all integers. But 1 is what? 1 is the greatest integer less than 1.1. 1 is the greatest integer less than 1.1 means I can say y is equal to 1.3, 1 only. Y is equal to 1.9, its greatest integer less than this 1.9 less integer, before that integer is what? 1. So keep in mind, when it is integer 1.1 1, 1.3 1, 1.9 1, like if it is 2.1 2, if it is 2.9 2, if it is 2 point any number 2 only, if it is 3.1 3, if it is 3.001 this will be 3, if it is 3.9 this will be what? 3. If it is 0.01 which is lesser than this 0, 0.1 it is a 0. If it is 0, 0 in the case of exactly 0 is an integer, you will get 0. So means in this case whatever, if it is minus 1, minus 1.1, minus 1.1, if it is minus 1, minus 1 is a minus 1 only. I can take minus 1 is a minus 1 only. Means in the case of minus 1.1 means 0 will be here and minus 1 will be minus 2. When minus 1.1 means minus 1.1 will be here. Minus 1.1 means its lesser number is what? Minus 2. In the case of minus number, you take more number, means highest number, means compared to minus 1.1, which is lesser, this minus 1 is a more than minus 1.1. Minus 1.1 lesser is a minus 2. So I can say here in this case minus 2. It's a minus 1.1. Minus 2 because minus 1.1 lesser number. This minus 2. Means I can say minus 2 to minus 1 you will get minus 2. Means according to this we will take lesser numbers. Minus 1.1. Minus 1.2 minus 2 only. Minus 1.9 minus 2 only. So means that lesser number you can. And if it is minus 2.5 minus 3. Minus 2.9 minus 3. Minus 2.99 minus 3. Like you take those numbers. Means I can formally I can say what is the possible values here. Means we will say greatest integer is how. Now I can say that if x is equal to 1, this value is what? For x lies in between 1 is less than or equal to x is less than 2. Means 1 point x is lies in between 1 to 2. 1 is equal but not 2. X may be any point, that will be 1 only. This I can say. X is 2. For this I can say 2 less than x. X is less than 3. So this what? If x is equal to, this value is 3, means what? For this I can say what? 3 is less than or equal to x. X is less than 4. Means this x lies in between 1 to 2. Means this will be like x lies in between here up to. Means this will be 1, this will be 2. In this case what you will get? Only 1. Here if it is lies in 2 to 1, 2 to 3, sorry, 2 to 3. 2 to 3 what you will get? 2 only. If it is 3 to 4 what you will get? 3 only. So this is roughly, I will define now neatly. Now what is the greatest integer? A function f from real number to real number defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to this is this thing. For all x belongs to R, where this is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. This is the value. Less than or equal to x. Such functions, or you can say this function is called, means such functions are called what? Such functions called what? Greatest integer function. Greatest integer function. Instead of writing function, I left it is shortly. So what? A function f from real number to real number defined by f of x is equal to, this is considered as a greatest integer. X belongs to real number, where modulus this you can say a square bracket, means better you can read it is greatest integer function. This what is the greatest integer less than or equals to x. It is what? Greatest integer less than or equals to x. If it is x is integer, you take x. So I will take table. It is, instead of taking table, we will take values itself. So what are the values? I can say that now table itself is like, I can write table itself is here. X it's a y is equal to. If it is 0, it implies that 0 is less than x, x is less than 1, its value. Now y is equal to x. Its value is 1 means it implies that 1 is less than x, x is less than 2. Y is equal to this, x is equal to 2. 2 means it implies that 2 is less than or equal to x, x is less than 3. And then y is equal to, model this you can say greatest integer. If it is 3, this I can say 3 is than or x, x is less than 4. This is the definition. Following this you will get values. Like I took 0 to this, minus 1 I will take. Now if y is equal to x minus 1, so here it implies that minus 1 is less than, this will be minus 1 to 0. When it is minus 1 to 0, whatever it is, minus 0.1, whatever it is, minus 0.2, that you can say minus. Y is equal to, x is equal to minus 2. It implies that minus 2 is less than x, x is less than minus 1. Keep in mind, this is 0 more number, 1 more number, 2 compared to 3 more number, 3, 4 is the more number, 3 is the less number. Like minus 1, 0 is the more, minus 2, minus 1 is the more. Like y is equal to x is equal to minus 3. If it is implies that I can say minus 3 is less than x, x is less than what? Minus, you can say, if it is minus 3 I took. Minus 3 is x is less than minus 2, you can say. More number. Because compared to in the case of negative number smaller is a bigger is a smaller. So now y is equal to this one, x. If it is minus 4, what we will get? Minus 4 is less than or equal to x, x is less than minus 3. This is the possible table. Now I will take graph. How is the graph? Graph of this is I can take one, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is x, this is y, it's x dash, this is considered as a y dash. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In this case, what is now graph according to 0 to 1? When it is 0 to 1, 0 to 1 is here. I can say 0. 0 include 0, y is 0. This is considered as a open. Now 1 to 2 is here. 1 to 2 case, when 1 to 2, y is what? 1 only, means what? Where you will get here? You take 2 circles, 1 to 2, 1 to 2, join, but shade this only. If x lies in between this, only the thing is this is the graph. And 2 to 3, 1 to 2 over 2 to 3, 2 to 3 means 2 is here, 3 is. 2 you take here one circle, 3 is here. When x is in between this, I can say this is the value. Once you can take smaller line. Now, then 3 to 4, 3 to 4. When you are taking 3 to 4, only you will get 3 is the value. So this is the value. Now here minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0, minus 1 to 0 where? Minus 1, 0. But join this you said, minus 1 you will get. then minus 1 to 0, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 2 to minus 1 here, minus 2 this one, join minus 2, minus 2 to minus 1, minus 1 left, minus 2 include, whenever lesser than or equal to include, minus 3 to minus 2, minus 3 to minus 2, minus 3 to minus 2 here, join this, minus 3 include, minus 4 to 3, minus 4 to 3 is where I can take this, I can take minus 4 and this will be joining this. This is the graph of this one. Is it like steps? It is looking like steps, so we can say step function also. Greatest integer function is also called as step function. You can take lines and then this will be line only, and this is shaded, one side shaded, one side, these sides shaded, because those are shaded circles are considered what y values. Shaded circles are considered as what y values, means what we are getting, y values we are getting only 0, 1, 2, 3, y value minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, means we are getting only integer, but x value you can take anything. So I can say here domain is what, domain of this, domain of f is set of real number, set of real numbers. What is the range? Range of this is range of f is what? Set of integers z, set of integers, set of integers. This is the graph of the function. Domain of this greatest integer function is set of real number and range is a set of integers. Keep in mind while drawing graph, what is this? This x is, when x lies in between 0 to 1, this is smaller number, this is bigger number. In this case, any x lies in between 0 to 1, only value will get 0. 0.1, 0, 0.2, 0, 0.3, 0, 0.9, 0, 1.1, 1, 1.2, 1, 1.3, 1, 1.9, 1 only, 2.1, 2, 2.3, 2, 2.9, 2 only, 3.1, 3.4, 3. Whatever you take, you will get 3 only. Minus 1 to 0 compared to minus 1 means minus 0.1, minus 0.2, minus 0.3, minus 1. Minus 2 to minus 1 means you can take minus 1.1, minus 1.2, minus 0.2, minus 1.9, you will get minus 2. Minus of this means the thing is what? Whenever lies in between these, when the value lies in between two integers, in that case you take smaller integer. If it is given itself is equal to integer, you take integer only. If it is not integer, if it is fraction number in between 2, in that case you take that will be. So means whenever it is like this type, you say if it is 1 to any lies in between, this is the always answer. If it is 1 or 2, if it is 2 to 3, in this case 2 is the answer. Like this is the value of y. If it is minus 1, this is 0. When minus 1 to 0, in this case graph is what? This is the value. Any value lies in between, this will be, this is considered. Okay, what is this greatest integer? A function f from real number to real number defined by y is equal to f of x. So this is the denotion. You can denote greatest integer function by using this symbol, where this is what? Greatest integer lesser than or equal to x. Means if the given itself x is an integer, you take integer. If it is rational number, if it is point number, you take its previous integer, that should be compared to all integer, that should be biggest. Such functions are called greatest integer. Table itself is I am taking these values. You can take and you will get this graph is a piecewise, means this is disconnected graph again. This is not continuous graph. This greatest integer function is a discontinuous graph. You can say this function is discontinuous function because its graph is discontinuous. Whenever graph is continuous, so function is continuous. If graph is discontinuous, function is also discontinuous. Okay, this is about what is the domain of this greatest integer function? Set of real number. What is the range of this greatest integer function? Set of integers. Copy this. Now last one, eighth graph, it is reciprocal function. So I can define this function is a function f from, I am taking here r minus of 0, means it is a what? It implies that you can say set of real number except 0. Meaning is what? We are taking all real number, leaving one number, that is 0. I am not taking 0, excluding 0. Because I will tell you why I am leaving 0. Defined by y is equal to f of x is equal to 1 by x. For all x belongs to real number but excluding 0. Listen here. Why I am leaving 0? When you are taking 0 in this case, 1 divided by 0 is not defined. Not defined. This is not defined. Means when you are taking value of x is 0, the function itself is not defined. When it is not possible to define, don't take that number. Domain is always a defined number. While taking x value, you observe is it possible to define or not. If it is not possible to define, you leave those numbers. So I am leaving x is 0 because you can take any number, it is defined. 1 divided by 1, 1. 1 divided by 2, 0.5. You will get 1 divided by minus 2, minus 0.5. Whatever you take, you will get. Only 1 divided by 0 is a problem, so I am leaving that 0 number. When you are leaving this 0, that for that reason we are saying x should not be 0. You can take any number. Is called reciprocal function. Is called reciprocal function. What is the domain of this? Domain is very simple. Domain of f is set of real number excluding 0. What is set of real number excluding 0. Means don't take 0. What is the range? Range is also will get same. Range, when you are not taking 0, you will not get 0 again. Range of this f is also set of real number excluding 0. Meaning is what? Set of real number minus 0 means 0 we are eliminating. Domain is also same, range is also same here. So what I will observe variation of this graph. Variation of this graph is, thing is, see, I will take graph of this table. You can take anything you can. I will consider x y is equal to 1 by x. Simply you can observe how the value. I will take, I am not taking 0, 1. What will get? 1 only. 2, 4, 10. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 10. Okay. 1 divided by 1. So function is 1 divided by 1. 1 divided by 1 is 1. 1 divided by 2, 0.5. 1 divided by 4, 0.25. 1 divided by 10, 0.1. Still more you can take. 100 you can take, you will get 0.01. Like minus 1, minus 1. Minus 0.5. When you are taking 1 divided by minus 2, minus 0.5. Minus 0.25. Minus 0.1. You take 100, minus 100, minus 0.01. So the thing is, when I am saying here y is equal to 1 by x, x is, if I am taking x is 10, y value will get 0.1. X is, I can take 100, y value 0.01. X is 1000, y value 0.001. What happening? When I am taking x value is bigger, this is usually decreasing nearer to 0. When I am taking bigger values, y value is becoming smaller value. If I am taking 10,000, I will get y value 0.0001. Problem. If I am replacing this, if I will take cross, if I am taking 0.00x values, 0.001, what I will get? 10,000. If I am taking x value is 0.001, in this case what I will get? 1000. Is it? Y values. When x value I am taking, if it is I am taking 0.01, y value I will get 100. When I am taking x value 0.1, y value I will get 10. Here I am taking a very small number, I am getting very bigger number. The thing is, when you are taking reciprocal case, reciprocal itself is saying opposite, inversely proportional, it is not directly proportional. When you are taking smaller number of x, you will get bigger number of y. When you are taking bigger number of x, you will get smaller number of y. The thing is only, whatever you take x values, if you are taking x value bigger, y value is smaller. Means when x is nearer to infinity, y is nearer to 0. When x is nearer to 0, y is nearer to infinity. Like you will get. You can take some numbers and substitute. You will get y is equal to 1 by x case. The thing is what happening, according to graph, I can say, roughly I will draw this graph. Don't consider exactly point. You can understand nature of this graph and draw the roughly. So 0, I can say 1, and then 2, then 4, then 10, like here also -1, -2, -4, -10, like here also 1, 2, 4, 10, like here again 1, -2, -1, -4, -10, y dash. This is a y. So whatever you take, the thing is what happening, when 0 we are not taking, 1 means we will get 1 here. X is 1, when x is 1, y is also 1. When x is 2, y is what? 0.5. 0.5 means here you will get middle of this. When x is 4, what you will get? 0.25. 0.25 means nearer to this. When x is 10, y is what? 0.01 means here you will get. When you are increasing that, again minus case. When you are increasing these, when I am taking y is more, you will get this. Means you will get like you will get curves like here you are getting curve is like, and this will be. When you are increasing x value, y value is very smaller. When you are taking smaller value 0.001, if I am taking x is 0.001, I will get point here. When x is 0.02, you will get here. X is 0.0001, you are getting very biggest number. 0. Like x is, when you are taking x is very nearer to this, you will get like, means graph should not following 0 because there is no 0 here. Means when you are not taking 0, you are not getting 0. Means the curve is not passing through the 0. You will get positive values, you will get positive value only. When you are taking x value is more value, you will get very less value of y. When you are taking y value is biggest, x value will get more value. Means when x is smaller value, y value will get bigger. When x is bigger value, y value will get smaller. Like same thing happens in this case. So this will be like again same graph you can follow and say the graph like this will roughly. Okay, you can take any number, positive, negative values. When you are increasing this side, this will be nearer to this. When x is smaller, y is bigger. When y is bigger, x is smaller. So in this graph, don't follow exactly table. You understand nature of the graph, means understand nature of the values. when you are taking smaller value, you will get bigger value of y. When you are taking x is a bigger value, y value will get very smaller. So according to that, you can say roughly this is the graph of the reciprocal function. So what is domain? Domain is set of real number excluding 0. Range is also excluding 0 because those two graphs are disconnected. Again I can say this is also disconnected graph. This is not continuous graph. So this is about graphs. In this case, what are the things? First one, fifth one, sixth one, and that you can fifth, sixth, seventh. These three graphs are very important for exam point of view. 5 marks you will get out of these. Fifth graph, sixth graph, seventh graph. What are those? Modulus graph, signum function graph, and greatest integer, and first one also identity function. Identity function also. First graph, fifth graph, sixth graph, seventh. These are the focused graph for exam point of view. Out of those you will get in the exam. These are in the syllabus we are taking. These are not important, but out of those 8, these first graph means identity function, second next fifth one modulus, then next one greatest integer, and next one signum function. These fifth, sixth, seventh, first one are very important. You follow these graphs. You will get 5 marks question on the basis of these graphs. Okay, this is about graph, drawing graph. What is a domain and what is a range? On the basis of graphical case, you can understand what is the domain of this. Domain is always x values, range is always y values. While defining domain, you have to take definite values, means if it is possible to define or not. If it is possible to define, you can take. Here I am leaving 0 because in this function that is not defining. When you are taking 0, the function is not defining. For that reason 0 I avoided, because while defining domain we will take definite values, means what are the possible defined values I will take. Okay, this is about a graphical representation. In the next class I will take some examples, finding domain and finding range. Okay.